Quick ways to make your Google Docs accessible to anyone. Go to Google Docs in a web browser. Open the document you want to make public. You'll see a list of recently opened documents. You can also create a new one. Click Share. A pop-up menu will open. Click Restricted and select anyone with the link. Restricted only allows users with access to view your document. Anyone with the link allows you to share a public link that anyone can use and access. Click Viewer and select a new role. Commenters can view and add comments on the document. Editors can view, add comments, and edit the document. Click Copy Link. This is at the bottom left corner of the pop-up menu. The link will be saved to your device's clipboard. Share the link. Paste the text into another application, email, or program. When this link is clicked, the document will be opened. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.